What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at Samsung's cases for the brand new Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now these cases look pretty cool. I know that the clear Gadget case is actually new for this year. I've never seen that type of case before, so that's pretty cool. Now I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick up these cases yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So now I'm going to try out all these cases and see if they're worth your time. Let's get started. So here we have the S View wallet case by Samsung. So here is the case itself. It's got the cover with the little pouch inside where you can put credit cards or maybe some money. On the inside where the phone goes, it feels like it's got this kind of soft suede material in it. It's got a silicone type feel to the whole case. This little piece right here is just going to flop around. I don't know why they don't put something on the case so where it like stays closed, because who wants to have this like flopping around in your purse or something? I really don't get it. What do you guys think? Do you think that you would like this case better if it had something on it to kind of keep the cover closed instead of it flopping around, or do you even care about it? Let me know in the comments below. It's also not flexible. It has a pretty rigid back as well, so that's good for protection. But again, if you happen to drop your phone, this cover is not going to protect anything. It's just going to flop open. Okay, so let's put the phone inside the wallet here. It just kind of presses nicely into place, which is awesome. Looks pretty nice. That's really nice. It's also got a little cutout for your speaker. Then when we open it up, your phone turns on. That is really cool. But that's where it ends. This thing, there's nothing holding it closed. I don't get it. That's one thing I absolutely hate about this case. It would be really nice if something held it in place, but it doesn't. It just flops around. So again, it's got that really nice silicone feel. It feels nice in the hand. The buttons are mushy. That's really weird. Yeah, the buttons are mushy. Like, they work, but you really can't tell that you're actually pressing anything in. I don't like that at all. I like tactile feedback. Yeah, the buttons work, but it really doesn't even feel like you're pressing anything in. So that's definitely not good. Bottom here, we have our cutout for our S Pen, speaker grill, and charging port. On the back here, it's got that nice silicone soft feel to it. And there's just a slight recession for your camera lenses. So if you put the phone on its back, the camera lenses won't touch, but if there's anything, you know, bumpy on the surface, it will touch those lenses. And the buttons are accented a dark black. And that is pretty much it. I mean, I don't know. Between this floppy cover and these mushy, like, these buttons are horrible. They're probably the worst tactile feeling buttons that I've ever used. So let's see if it wireless charges. So it does, it shows it's wirelessly charging in the little corner there. But I mean, that is it. Every year I want to like these cases. It's just, they don't make any improvements that would actually make it more usable or better. I would definitely tell you to stay away from this case, and I'm going to give it a thumbs down. All right, and then here we have the silicone grip case by Samsung. All right, so here is the case itself. This case looks pretty promising. Has a really nice soft silicone type feel to it. I like this little strap. On the inside, again, it's got your accented colors in orange. It also has this nice soft suede feel to it. Now you can also adjust the strap if it's too tight for you. And it doesn't look like it's going to be too tight for me, and I've got pretty big hands, so the setting that it's on right now will work just fine. Let's put our phone inside. Phone fits in place really nice. Feels really nice in the hand. Buttons are nice and clicky. Everything is covered by the silicone. Very nice. As you can see, From the side, it's got a little raised edge on the top and the bottom, and it doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone. On the other side here, we have our power button and our volume rockers. On the bottom, it's got your cutout for the S Pen, speaker, and charging port. You can very easily access your S Pen. On the back, it's got that nice soft silicone strap. Your camera lenses are just ever so slightly recessed. And if you want to hold on to the phone, you just slide your hand in here, and now you don't have to worry about dropping it. And this orange band is stretchy as well. So that's pretty cool. Not bad at all. I like this case. Does it wirelessly charge though? Let's test that out. And it does. And it is actually sitting on the little bump of that strap as well, and it still wirelessly charges through that. It's probably not going to be the best wireless charge, but it does work. So yeah, this is a pretty nice case. I'm definitely liking it. I like that strap, so you don't have to worry about dropping your phone even if you're not holding on to it. So I really like this case. It feels really nice and soft, and I would definitely recommend it and give it a thumbs up. All right, and here we have the clear Gadget case. This one I'm pretty excited for. All right, so here is the case, and here is the little accessory that comes with the case. So this is a hard, totally plastic shell. That's what it looks like on the inside. Let's see if we can. So it looks like this is just a cap, and it pops right off. And then here we have our accessory. So I guess you want to line up those lines, but then you just turn it and it's in place. That's pretty cool. Looks like a little ring. It's pretty cool. So you can kind of use it like a little stand, and you can also clip something onto it, I'm sure. So let's put our phone in here. Clips on just like that. So as far as the buttons goes, they're super clicky. You can very easily press them, which is always nice. Feels nice in the hand. It's actually not slippery. If we look at the side here, as you can see, there is a edge at the top, and there's only edges in the very corners of the phone. If we look at the other side, you can see our power button here and our volume rockers. On the bottom, it's all clear in the middle, and we have our cutout for our little S Pen, which you can easily access as well. Then on the back, the cameras actually are flush with the case, so you need to be very careful there. But if you have the accessory on, your phone's most likely not going to just sit down flush. And then we have that accessory, so you can probably put a couple fingers through like that and have something to really hold on to. So that's another nice feature. I kind of think that I would rather have the case itself be surrounded by a kind of like a hard rubber or like a TPU material. This is just plastic. So if you happen to drop your phone, this is most likely going to crack, which I'm not really a big fan of. And then like I said, I showed you before, if you put this stand up, you can kind of use it to stand up your phone so you can watch stuff on YouTube or Netflix, but it's not going to stand upright. So you can only have it in landscape mode, which isn't horrible, but it's just something to keep in mind. It's a very cool accessory. As far as fingerprints goes, it does pick up some fingerprints, but not a lot. You can easily just wipe those away. So that's a pretty cool idea. Like I said again, I just kind of wish that the sides of the case were made of like a TPU or a hard rubber, and then you can keep the back of the case plastic. Now, as far as wireless charging goes, that's obviously something you're not going to be able to do with this accessory on the back, but that's what you give up to have this feature. I like the case. The buttons are, like I said, they're super easy to click, which is awesome. I absolutely love that. So yeah, I'm liking this case. I would definitely recommend it, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Then if you want to take the accessory off, all you need to do is simply slide this piece up, which is easier said than done, and then just rotate it and it comes right off. Now if you want to wirelessly charge like this, you can do that. or just take that little piece off. So that's it for these 3 cases for the brand new Galaxy S23 Ultra. Again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick these up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So I really like the silicone grip case. The Gadget case is a pretty cool idea as well. It's just kind of got this big knob on the back of the case that sticks out all the time, and I would just tell you to plan out, stay away from the S-View wallet case. It can be really great. They just need to tweak a few things on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.